Hey, welcome to the shop. So one tool I've been wanting to get here for a long time is a tubing bender. And I finally purchased this one. This isn't a sponsored video. I bought this as a kit from Fabrication. I'm gonna go ahead and show you a little bit of the assembly process, and then we'll try it out and see how it works. All right, I just picked everything up from the powder coater. I'm super excited how well it turned out. Let's get it put together. All right, let's try this thing out. So I'm gonna bend some 1-inch tubing, and the first thing I need to do is to attach one of these clamp blocks. I have multiple clamp blocks which are gonna help me out to be able to make multiple bends on the same piece of tubing more accurately and easier than I could if I had to move just one around. But I'll just use one here to test out making this first bend. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use this air over hydraulic cylinder, and that's gonna do all the work for me. It'll pivot around this center point here and bend that tubing around the die that I have. And I can just watch how far it's bending here on this degree sticker. And this has an upgraded degree indicator that's really easy to move around, so I can adjust and compensate for things like spring back, so it's pointing right to the degree that I want to bend it to. All right, well, after I get to where I need to go, I just release the pressure here. This is an upgraded little knob, and once I've relieved that, I can remove the pin and pull this out, and I got an awesome bend. This is gonna be so cool and open the doors to so many different types of projects, many of which I hope to be shown here on the YouTube channel. Hey, well, thanks for tuning in today. If you liked this video, let me know by hitting that thumbs up below. We'll see you next time.